Hello everyone. Today I have read a story. Uh, I don't have read a story. I listen. I watch a story from YouTube's. There was a fisherman who lived near a seasides and who lives with his wives. Um, they live a tiny cottage. He his life is going well. The fishermen every day go to the seasides and he catch he used to catch a fish every day and he would he would be bring for her wives. They would they would be eat they would be they used to eat those fish, and this way they spend their life. One day the fisherman went to seaside. She caught uh, she put his mm, fish rod into the sea, and when uh, his fish rod trembles so trembles so he feel a fish had trap in his rod. So he tried to um, pulled the rods from the sea, the but he could but he was but his his but that was very heavy, so he put too much effort to pull the his fish rods. In the end, he pulled the fish rod and he saw a golden fish uh, which was very glittering in front of him, and the fish said, "Please don't kill me. I am a prince of fish. If you have any wish, so please ask. I will true for you. I will true for wish for I will true the wishes for you." So fisherman uh, don't kill didn't kill the fish, and he threw this fish again into the sea, and he returned home when her wife saw him to empty-handed. She asked to her husband, "Why you came empty-handed? You don't catch any fish today?" So he said, "No, darling, I had catch a one fish who is speaking, and he said he told me that don't kill me, so I threw back into the sea." And he said me that ask me anything, if ask me any wish, I will true your wishes. He said that I am princess of fish, So his wife said, "So you didn't ask any wishes to fish?" So he said, "No, I didn't ask any wishes to fish." So his wife said, why don't ask any wish to the fish?" So go to the seaside and ask him for a good house. So fisherman went to the seaside and called the prince of fishes. Then prince of fishes appeared and said, "Why called me?" So he said, "My wife is not happy. She she is asking me a good house." So fish said, "Go back and your wife is sitting in a good house." When fisherman back to his home, he saw that his wife is sitting a good house. He 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 become very happy to see this and asked to his wife, "Are you happy?" So his wife said, "No, I am not happy." So fisherman said, "Why are you not happy?" So his wife said, "Actually, I want mm, a, a big place, big places like like kingdoms. So go and ask to fish prince. My wife wants a big place." So fisherman went to went so fisherman again went to seaside and called the fish princess. So fish princess appeared and to said to fisherman, "Why you called me again?" So fisherman said, "Actually, my wife is asking a big place." So princess of fish said, "Go and see, your wife is sitting a big place with a huge house." So went uh, fisherman uh, returned to his home, come back to his home, and he saw a big place appears. So he asked to his wife, "Now are you happy?" So his wife said, "No, I am not happy. I want to uh, I want to empires. I want to rule like empires." So go and ask the fish of princess that my wife want to empires. So fisherman again went to seasides and the uh, call the princess of fish. Then princess of fish again come and ask, "Why you called me these times?" So fisherman said, "Actually, my My wife want umpires of uh, this place. So the princess of Fish said, "Okay, go. Your wife is umpiring now." When the fisherman returned to home, he saw a very huge place. And there was a different huge place which was bigger than older place, and lot of guards were standing on his doors. Then he entered his home and asked, "Are you happy now?" So his wife said, "Yeah, right now I am tired and I want to sleep. So I will I will tell you later. I am happy or not." So both go to bed and lay on the bed. One day her wife said to fisherman, "Actually the time is running every 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 time. So I want to control time, and I want to rule on sun and moon and cloud also. So go and uh, said to the fish prince that my wife want to rules on sun, cloud, moons, and times also." So fishermen again went to the uh, seasides, uh, but after after went to seasides, he tried to understand his wife. "Why do you want this type of wishes? This is not good wishes for you. It is good which you have." So he said, "No, I am not happy. And tell the tell go and tell the prince of fish." So he went and said, "My wife," he called the prince of fish and said, "My wife is asking to rule the sun and moon and cloud and the time also. So please granted these wishes." So fisher the so fisher the so the fish princess granted all the wishes and said, "Go to home, and your wife is ruling now on years and times, suns and moons also." When he returned back to his home, he saw that there was no his house available at this his house at this his house locations. So he returned to home no so he returned to seaside and called the prince of fish and said, "Please help me." So fish princess appeared again this time and said, "Why you called me this times?" So fisherman said, "Actually I saved your life, and I even don't ask anything in it myself for wishes. My wife is not there. My wife was not there. So please tell me where is my wife. So Prince of Fish said, your wife is uh, ruling on sun and times and moons. That's why she is invisible. So he said, I want to please forgive me, and I want my wife. So I never ask anything to you. So please give me my wife, and please give me my wife, and uh, and you give me a power that she loved me very much, and he don't have any wish now, and she don't have any wishes, she don't have any wishes again. He could not demand anything to me, and he always loved me. I want only these things. So he said, go and see, your wife is sitting in the home, your home. When he returned back, he saw his uh, old cottage, and this time he saw his old cottage, and his wife was cleaning, her home. And when he saw her husband, he became very happy and said, see how I am happy. I don't like delicious food and huge houses, and I don't want to rule on time, moon, and suns also. I am happy now. We will spend our time together happily. Thank for uh, thank for completing and granted all the wishes, but I don't need all the things. I am happy now. This was my story which I have watched today. Thank you for listening me.